Hey Queen, so a little birdie told me you don't know what to get at the grocery store when you're trying to lose fat. Well, guess what? I got you. I'm gonna show you exactly my favorites and what I put in my cart. Now let's go.
First, we're gonna move on to protein. So first, I always get lean turkey breast and lean chicken. And then I also love seafood, so I either get frozen shrimp or I get this tuna. It's literally the best, I swear. Then some protein pasta. And then this is the best protein pasta if you want a gluten-free option. And then some protein bagels and some protein pancakes. This is for breakfast. For snacks, we're gonna do some cashews for some healthy fats, as well as some protein bars because these go so hard after a workout, I swear. Then we're gonna go on to dairy, so we're gonna get some egg whites, some almond milk because I'm lactose intolerant, then this yogurt, it's so good if you want a dairy-free option, and some cottage cheese. Then for veggies, I go for frozen, but if I go for canned, I make sure that they're low sodium.